Show that tangent squared of t plus 1 equals secant squared of t. Recall that by the definition of the trigonometric functions, tangent of t is defined by the y-coordinate of the terminal point determined by t over the x-coordinate. And secant of t is determined by the reciprocal of x, which is 1 over x. And this is on the unit circle, so x squared plus y squared equals 1. We start with the left-hand side. The left-hand side is tangent squared of t plus 1. We never start with the equality itself. We only start with one side and arrive at the other. Usually we start with a more complicated side. Tangent squared of t plus 1, by the definition, is y over x squared and plus 1. This is y squared over x squared plus 1. Or the common denominator is x squared, so we multiply x squared over x squared to 1 and combine the numerator. In the numerator, we have y squared plus x squared, and the denominator is now common, so we combine them. This is x squared plus y squared over x squared. But in the unit circle, x squared plus y squared is 1, so the numerator is 1. The denominator is x squared. But by the definition, 1 over x squared is secant of t squared, or simply secant squared of t. And that is what we need to show. The left-hand side, a tangent squared of t plus 1 equals the right-hand side, which is secant squared of t. Show that 1 plus cotangent squared of t equals cosecant squared of t. This time, we will show this identity differently. We start with a well-known or pre-established identity, which is the Pythagorean identity, which states that cosine squared of t plus sine squared of t equals 1. This is a well-known prior established identity, so we can use it. Starting with this well-known fact, we need to have cotangent squared showed up and cosecant squared showed up. Remember that cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, so we would divide by both sides of this equation by not just sine, but sine squared of t. What this means is that we take the left-hand side and divide it by sine squared of t, so we have to do the same thing on the right-hand side as well. The left-hand side is cosine squared of t over sine squared of t plus sine squared of t over sine squared of t, and the right-hand side is 1 over sine squared of t. But by the definition, cosine over sine is cotangent. We still need to square it. Sine squared over sine squared is 1, and 1 over sine squared, by the definition, it is the reciprocal of cosecant squared of t. But cotangent of t times cotangent of t is cotangent squared of t plus 1 equals cosecant squared of t. And this establishes the identity. This is what we needed to show.